Mr. Vikesh Babu, NSS Program Officer, SACS MABMM Engineering College. The next team competition, first prize goes to Mr. N. Surya, SACS MABMM Engineering College, final year ECE. Mr. Naveen, second prize, SACS MABMM Engineering College, second year CSC. Ms. Harini, final year CSC, SACS MABMM Engineering College.